how to create Telegram account with email, or how to log in into your Telegram account with email. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can create or open Telegram account on your device with an email address. Now open the Telegram app on your device first of all, or install the application on your device. After that, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. So unfortunately, there is no such method of creating an account with email address on Telegram. Now you'll need to enter in your phone number when prompt and tap next. If the phone number is already associated with the Telegram account, you'll be prompted to enter the associated Gmail address and password. However, what you need to do is, so first of all, you need to enter in the phone number that is registered to your Telegram account. After that, enter in the phone number, click on the arrow icon, and then as you can see that I'm logged in, or that my account has already been created. Now on this page, go to the try bar icon and go to your profile page. So over here you can see there is multiple options, so go to settings, and right over here you can see all of these information, but there is no such method as adding your email address. As already mentioned, that there will be no such thing as creating your account or login with an email address. However, what you can do is, if you don't have a phone number, then you can use a virtual phone number. For that, you need to install the application called Text Now. After that, you'll be able to get a virtual phone number for a certain amount of time, and you can just create an account with that. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.